Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can do auto numbering without using sequence formula. For some of you, when you type a sequence here, it may not appear. It may not show the sequence formula here. So the reason is you may be using older version of Excel because the sequence formula was introduced in Microsoft 365 and later Excel 2021 version. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so let's see how we can create auto numbering without sequence formula. Just type one here and under this home tab, under this editing ribbon menu, click on this fill option here. Okay, and click the series option here, then select the columns because I wanted to do auto numbering based on the columns. Okay, and the step value should be 1 because I wanted to do auto numbering from 1. Okay, and stop value I am going to give 20 here. Okay, and click OK. It does the auto numbering. Okay, so there is one more way to do auto numbering. Okay, let's see that. Okay, here you can just type equals to and row and open parenthesis. I'm going to take I column as a reference to generate this auto number. So I'm going to type I1 here, okay, and close parenthesis and hit enter. It was 1 here. You can just grab and drag. Now 20. Okay, basically it takes the I column and the row number as the reference and it's generating the auto number. Okay, thank you.